city sleeping, but I'm seeing this through. This old laundromat spins out a hymn in the blue. As fluorescent lights hum a tired, lonely tune. I found an old record in a bin by the door. A thrift store discovery I just couldn't ignore. The sleeve showed a woman I'd not seen before, but her eyes held a story. I'd lived on this floor, a quiet internal war. And then my screen lights the room with your name in stark white. You're probably spiraling somewhere deep in the night, and you need my calm voice just to make everything right. But the vinyl is whispering about a different kind of fight, a forgotten song about claiming your own share of light. Not a new love, just a meet from above, a quiet promotion, a change in the motion. The debt for your calm was an invoice for mine. Tonight I am drawing a new boundary line from this new elevation. The future looks fine. For years I've been your emotional shield, the dependable harvest you took from my field. I patch up your ego, the damage concealed, while all of my own little fractures were never revealed or allowed to be healed. I thought that my purpose was being your brace, to hold you together and keep you in your place. But erasing my needs left an empty blank space, just a ghost in the background without any real trace. The last dryer buzzes a soft final sigh. The warmth from the clean clothes is catching my eye. It's a comfort that's mine that I don't have to loan. I'm folding the towels, but I'm not here alone. This version of me is a seed I have finally sown. I'm turning my phone on to airplane mode, a quiet new throne. Not a new love, just a me from above, a quiet promotion, a change in the motion. The debt for your calm was an invoice for mine. Tonight I am drawing a new boundary line from this new elevation. The future looks fine, yeah, a change in the motion, a new boundary line. The cost of your comfort is no longer mine to find. Not a new love, just a me from above, a quiet promotion, a change in the motion. The debt for your calm was an invoice for mine. Tonight I am drawing a new boundary line from this new elevation. The future looks fine. The digital clock says it's 17 past 2. The whole city sleeping, but I'm seeing this through. This old laundromat spins out a hymn in the blue. As fluorescent lights hum a tired, lonely tune. I found an old record in a bin by the door. A thrift store discovery I just couldn't ignore. The sleeve showed a woman I'd not seen before, but her eyes held a story. I'd lived on this floor, a quiet internal war. And then my screen lights the room with your name in stark white. You're probably spiraling somewhere deep in the night, and you need my calm voice just to make everything right.